So the song, I'll just drop it into here, is this now. That's got a right vibe to it. It's like, it's got a good feeling to that. Right.
You gave up on us. 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 Thanks for calling.
Thanks for calling.
Thanks for calling.
Right, some echoes.
Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling.
That's the free rum reverb, which is absolutely fucking awesome. Can't believe I spent so much money on other
Thanks for calling.
VSTs, and that's free with your contact download. So grab that.
Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling.
Right, delay.
Thanks for calling.
No.
Thanks for calling.
It's kind of bouncy, but I want that to go. Come. I want it on its own. Now, this is a David Guetta tip to sidechain your own, sidechain the delay or vocal with itself. I'm going to try that. I've never done it before. I've done it with vocals dipping their own vocals, which is what I'm going to do now. What am I talking about? Right, so that's washing over group. It's washing. Can I sidechain this thing? No. Okay, so audio effects. Just want a compressor. Right. Now, input source. That's called what? Vocals. Can you do that? Yeah, you can actually. Okay. I don't think he created a chain, but I will. I should be dipping the vocal here. Now, there you go. Here. There you go. 3RY. He didn't do it like that, but I have just done it like that. Longer. Not volume, longer. That's why I love this thing. This thing has got infinite delays. It just goes and goes and goes. Nice, too much. Right, so I want a filter on that. I want that to sweep a bit. The difference with it off. Hasn't got the flavour. So I have an LFO tool on that. A 1/4 note, and it's modulating the frequency of the second peak in Simpleton. You can do that with any EQ. You don't even need a filter. You can do that with an EQ. And I think I have something else going on there, no? No. Alright, so there we go. It's a bit loud. Too much. The secret sauce to mixing is how loud your reverb's in. that needs a little different note change there for the change of emotion. It'll get boring if you don't do little things like this. So where that bass is there. So that boo, I'm thinking. Oh, it's a D sharp. Do do do. At the end of every 8 bar for sure. Not at the end of every 16 either. It's coming up to 16 now. I could do it there. Maybe, yeah. Alright. I want those strings to be a bit more. So here we are jumping into a different part where we need something else. Something emotional. Like, this is about emotion. Liquid drum and bass usually is got a lot of feeling in it, as far as I can remember. It's got a lot of feeling, and it's got to be the key to making this stuff. So there's not going to be big build-ups where you're creating tension or anything like that. It's just going to be laid back in the background music. And it's going to have that sweeping wave-like emotions. So you're going to have the way you do your tension, the way you have to put tension in all music. The way you bring tension into this is to do it with the emotion, or with the emotional things, as opposed to drums, or as opposed to build-ups, or the little cheat codes you can do with dance music or any music, like drumming with drumming in it. You don't want it in this kind of music. So you got to do that create the tension with the string, something like the strings. Which I like to do. I like to create tension with the strings. So, and you can do that by adding in a higher string. If you're making music, you got to hear the melody in your head. And the way you hear melodies is become a singer. What the fuck? Ah, what the fuck is wrong with me? Run out of keys. No. There you go. Want that little run back into it, and this last one has got to be switch it up. So you're expecting it to go down. I'm just going to switch them around, especially you're expecting them to do the same. I'm mumbling. Okay, now that would be long enough, and you would bring in the vocals back in for the second part. So this is just keeping it interesting and a bit of variation in it. You're not trying to fly a fucking rocket ship to the moon. which is what I used to see music is. Music is about feeling. It's all about feeling. Even the heavy shit is about creating tension, which is feeling something. It's feeling scared. It's feeling anxious. So even everything's about feeling. Music, feeling are the same thing. Right. So you can't separate music from feeling. Right. There we have it. I just moved a little string over there. Come over here now. Right, let's hear what we've got. Just drop it in there. Ugh. Something else there. We do a build up there. Boom. Something like that. Alright, that is the end of this little session today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again tomorrow or sometime. Who knows?